27 years old. I'm Muslim and also I'm virgin. Four men who were working who also came for the breakfast, and one of the men having a newspaper, and on the second page there was a nude woman picture, and he showed me. He said, "Oh, you like those things?" I say no, and he was just shocked. Why? I say because uh, I'm a religious person. I practice my religion. So, and next question he asked me, so when you did sex last time? I say I never, and he was more shocked. Oh really? And how old are you? I says 23. And literally he just said all other three men who were sitting over there, oh he's 23, he never been sex. I have so many friends in my country and in UK as well, and from other countries as well, because I go hooked up over the internet. She visited me again, she visited me as well, and so many women are interested to like pick a sleep with me, do sex with me. But for this part, I all the time I was very clear with every woman that I'm not just that kind of man, and I can't do sex. Sometimes women, one or two women say it's so stupid. Some women say it's normal. Some women say it's a very normal thing. Nothing happened. Uh, I know so many Muslims. I know so many people who do this, but every people have his own. I just say that if you are all right with me with just going out and just eating, that's it. If you don't like, if you just are looking for someone who just do with these things and sex, so I'm not that kind of person. And that reality is that so many women just leave me because of this as well. They don't want to talk with me second time. As like all other men's have the same feeling, same body, like other men's go with the women's, have sex, go on the beach, have parties, have fun, drinks, do all the things that they want. I go the same feelings. I feel same. I want to do the same things, but I've tried a little, but I can't do too much because my culture and my own faith just stops me for this.
Choosing to be a virgin is not about right or wrong or good or bad, uh, but I think it's person's own decision, and like I like my decision, and I feel proud to be a virgin, and I know that someday I'll be married as well. So I'm happy to be a virgin.